Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, breaking chart alerts. Market is just open. I had a little bit of problems with eTrade Pro this morning. I had to close it down, reset it here a couple of times. Right now, market's getting a pop. Accounts right now, volatile. Up 300, down 500. We have our GILD, Gold, Oracle, RCL, Square, and Visa trades open right now. I'm watching GILD get a pop here. I'm not doing anything for the first 15 minutes. I told you guys in the trade room, I'm going to give the market about 15 minutes to decide what it's going to do here. Dow's currently up about 220 points. Just watching the markets right here. If I do anything, I might jump into some calls if I see the market continuing to climb as a little hedge against some of our puts that we have here. All we have actually is the RCL put. I guess I closed out the diamond put on Friday here. So let's give the markets about 15 minutes, and I'm going to share the screen with you guys, and let's see what we could do this week. Great week last week, guys. Let's continue it this week. Patient, disciplined, and let's do this together, guys. Here we go. Watching Diamond ETF here. Big candle on the opening. Let's see what happens. Here's where I stand as of right now. Only down about 500 bucks, and that's starting to climb now. Now only down 472. And that's basically from GILD here. So if GILD does a little something here and continues that climb, should be good. We have the March 6 79.80 vertical call spread. I'm watching GILD continue to break out here. Remember, guys, Trump is meeting with pharma companies today. I think GILD is going to continue to run here. And if we look at the daily chart, look at how well it's been holding the 10 and 20 SMA here. So we're getting that bounce. I think this is going to be a great week for GILD. As a matter of fact, I think that's going to be my trade for, I'll get the March 20th monthly expo and go with some calls for that. See what's the 71 going for. About 345. I'll wait a little bit here. It's only 3 minutes into opening bell.
Fitch says COVID-19 to have modest impact on U.S. property and casualty companies.
I have an order in for 10 contracts, but did not fill. Let's see, order status. It's pending. Oh, there we go. It's just completed, guys. I'm in GILD. I got the March 20th 71 strike calls, and I am in at 350. I'll hold that for a little bit there. That is the trade.
Letter W, Wayfair.
Diamond's pulling back. GILD still climbing. I'm already up 170 bucks on the GILD trade that we just made. There's the GILD trade. We got 10 contracts. GILD March 20th, 71 strike call. We're already up 5% on it. 170 bucks basically. Gonna watch that continue to climb today. Gilead should do good along with the other pharmaceutical companies.
50 after a drop. Shares down about 7.5% now on letter W.
Yeah, gold's getting a nice pop today, Eric. There goes Gilead breaking out again.
And VAX, Novavax shares halted on a circuit breaker. November Victor Alpha X-ray. Novavax halted on the way down, $11.59. And VAX.
Gilead's still climbing there, consolidating a little bit. Let's see it break that 71.41 area for that next run. Diamond's still pulling back, retracing below that 10. Kind of why I didn't want to jump into anything with the general markets yet. The Gilead and other pharmaceutical stocks should do well today with Trump meeting with those talking about the coronavirus and, vaccine. See what's going on with that. I think, like I said, the pharmaceutical companies should get a nice pop today. Let's see what what's another company that's let's see what Merck and Pfizer are doing. Merck, Pfizer. Let's see, what's that Nova doing today? Oh my God, Nova's up another 3%. Broke $18 today. That looks like that's getting a nice bounce off that 20 SMA there. Needs to hold and break above that 10 for a continued climb.
DXR resumes trading. APT resumes trading.
Facebook is unbelievable here. It's going to be a good buy once the market stabilizes here a little bit.
Dropping to the lows, 1580. That's APT.
There goes Gilead at the 10. Let's see what it does at the 10 here. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat. Let's see. Austin McConnell, first like. Thank you. Karen Decker, hello Dave, trade room is full. We're working on that. It should be good in a moment. Good morning from North Carolina. Good morning, Kelly. Good morning, Efron. March Madness is now in full effect. Trade room full again. We're working on that right now.
CPHI resumes trading after a circuit breaker hold. Charlie Papa Hotel Candia. Shares moving higher now.
See, to me, this looks like a false pop today. I think the markets are going to continue lower. Dow is near the lows of the day already. Gilead pulling back a little bit here, down about $1 from the highs. A lot of news coming out.
Shares continuing to move higher now. $1.36 after resuming. China Pharma.
940. As I said this morning, we were giving the market 15 minutes. A lot of people wanted to jump in, but not doing much yet. Got some consolidation here. Let's see if we could break out and continue that climb. Good morning, Alex Flores. New to trading, new to options. David Hudson said he's in Gilead at 362. That's going to be one that's going to be volatile, but it's going to be a good one in my opinion. Just got to be patient and disciplined with it. It's going to have wild swings, but you got to be prepared for those. Just know your targets, know your stops.
CNA, new Canada shares hitting high of 1059, now halted again on the way down 843 on November, Charlie, November Alpha. NVAX Novavax resumes trading off the lows now 1225 NVAX. POAI Predictive Oncology hitting a high of 298 and halted on a circuit breaker, POAI. OPGN resumes trading after a circuit breaker halt.
Let's see us break this 20 and hold above it here. Guys, this week, you're going to have to be patient and disciplined and know your trade plan. That's so important here. NVAX resumed. Let's see NVAX quick. We called this trade a while ago. What did we get in this at? I think we got in that around 10 bucks. Is this the one I made a profit on or had the loss? I'm not sure. There's so many pharma stocks we've been trading. I'll have to look at it, but I shared in the trade room the month of February we had. Let me share with you guys that. Here was the month of February we had. February 1st to February 29th, 2020. Realized profit in the E-Trade account of $37,993.52. That's $38,000 in a single month. And that's with a small account. And that's not bad. There goes Gilead continuing to climb. Like I said, guys, it's patience, discipline, following that trade plan. Excuse me. Keep watching what's coming on in the news feed as well.
.7 on the manufacturing PMI. 50.8 was the consensus. 50.7 on the manufacturing.
See what the markets does with that number. Nice pop on Gilead. Look at Gilead go.
Spending for January was 0.6% expected, and the ISM manufacturing PMI for February 50.5 expected.
Nice pop in the markets here, guys. Nice pop off those numbers. There it goes Dow. Diamond ETF continuing to break out. Guys, I have my developer working on that chat room. That's going to be fixed momentarily. It's currently full. Alrighty, guys, the trade room is now, you guys could join. It's no longer full. We have upgraded the package and everything is great. So you could join us in the live trade room now. Here is the link for you guys. There you go. There's the link for you guys. I just shared it in the YouTube chat here. I'm not going to chase any of those. I think the pharma stocks are going to get a nice pop today. As you guys can see, take a look at the diamond ETF. Broke out, pulled back a bit, came down to the 20, consolidated, breaking out. Let's see now if we could hold and continue to climb here. We need to surpass here about 257.60 on the diamond ETF here to have another breakout. But it looks like we're holding the SMAs here pretty well. The 20 SMA. Let's see if we get a bounce off of it here now. And we'll decide if we want to do anything today. Maybe get a few swing trades. See what the day has in store for us. Good morning, Christian. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Karen. Nice to see you guys in the trade room. I'm going to be looking at Disney puts sometime today, though. Let me just see Disney here quick as we're bouncing off those SMAs. Disney's up 87 cents. Now remember our trade plan. You know, we could get up to that 10 before failing again, just like here. We come down to the 20, broke out, down to the 20, looking to break out again. Now that's in breakout momentum. Now when we're in BDM, breakdown momentum, 10-20 cross below, we're looking for the candles to get up to the 10 possibly and then fail again. So that's why you got to be cautious and disciplined. You have to know just about how far she's going to come back up to resistance before failing and heading lower again possibly. No, I'm not in GNMK. I took a hit on that last week and exited. Let's see. Wow, Space got another big climb. This thing was just at $18 the other day, wasn't it? I remember this getting down to 18 bucks. And she's back at $27.50 now. What a climb. Jorge Nunez says his E-Trade is acting up. My E-Trade has been acting up. Karen, I'll send you a message with the videos. I'll send that to you on Facebook. There's 3 things new traders need to understand. Number 1, they need to know a trade plan. They need to know the basics of trading, options, shares of stock, whatever it is they want to trade.
House member saying she expects the coronavirus emergency funding bill to be on the floor of the House for a vote this week. It will be
Coronavirus funding bill will be on the House of U.S. Reps this week. Look at the put sweeps now coming in on Disney at the bottom here, guys. Take a look. Walt Disney option alert. March 20th, 120 strike puts. No problem, Karen. Anyway, there's 3 things. You need to understand the basics of trading, options. You need to know a trade plan. You have to have discipline, patience, and that's all stuff we teach at our trading academy here in Orlando, Florida. Just watching the markets here, guys. It's really important. You guys see how much we were up for February. You know, almost 40 grand. Almost a $40,000 profit for the month of February. So just got to stay. Here it is right here. Realized profit for February. February 1st, February 29th. $37,993.52. That's in 1 month. So the key is patience and discipline in following that trade plan. You might not get a trade every single day, but when you do make that trade, you can feel confident that you're doing exactly what you're supposed to be doing. There goes Gilead breaking out again, guys, near the day's high. That Gilead trade I was in was down $500 at one point back when we had this little sell-off here at the 940 candle. Now that Gilead trade, back in the green. Guys, please give the video a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, share it on social media. Do that favor for me. We got 97 viewers right now. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified. And once we go live, you guys will get notification. There goes Gilead. Looks like it's going to be a pretty slow day.
VSTM getting a pop to the high of $2.95. VSTM. Victor Sandy Tango Michael.
Let's see. Karen says, Dave, look at CLX, which is Clorox. That's probably going to do really well. Up 5%. That's a nice, nice chart there. Holding that 20. I'm not sure if I want to chase that though or not. You know, definitely some opportunity there. Let's look at the option chain. Obviously, you guys know why people are buying Clorox. If I did anything, I'll give you guys a trade idea. I'm not getting into it, but if I was to do anything, I'd do the March 20th. I'd do the 167.50. You got a 185 open interest, 156. Or you could do the 170. I would stick with the 167.50 though, if it were me. And I would put in an order. At 5.80, I wouldn't do 10 contracts. It's going to cost $5,800. But you know, you could do 4 or 5 contracts if you have a larger account. You know, everyone, it's different how many contracts you should get. I'm going to do a video on that as well. But looking good here, guys. I'm not going to jump into that, but if you look at the today 1-minute chart, it's breaking out. It's looking good there if you wanted to get into Clorox for a quick swing trade, day trade. Not bad. I think we could possibly see another $2 climb on GILD today. Today or tomorrow. Senegal just reported its first case of the coronavirus. Another country. And you guys know Senegal, you know, like, you know they don't have the medical supplies. They don't have, you know, they don't have the quarantine needed to stop that outbreak. So some of these countries that are getting it, they're not going to be able to stop the outbreak. And as that spreads through these, you know, third world countries, the cases are going to grow and it's going to be easier to catch. And I think it's going to spread much more. That's my opinion.
On construction spending versus the 0.6% estimate. ISM manufacturing PMI 50.1 versus 50.5 expected. TTNP, low price stock, moving here, Tango number Papa. S&P futures moving lower.
There goes Disney dropping again now. S&P futures are dropping lower. Those Disney puts.
Gold getting a little move higher here now, 160110.
Ooh, the 115 strike. Pretty cheap. There goes Gilead climbing again.
CBLI, Charlie Bravo Lima, India. Shares halted. Cleveland Biolabs dropping to the low 269. Beyond Meat CEO on Mad Money after the close today.
Disney continuing to drop there. I'm watching it at the 50 SMA on the chart above these. So I'm watching some charts above these two that I'm showing you guys. There goes Gilead climbing, guys. We are green on our Gilead trade. Clorox continuing to climb here. There goes Gilead again.
New York Governor Cuomo says there will be more cases where we find people who test positive. This is New York, we're a gateway to the world. The whole challenge is about containment of the number of people who become exposed and who becomes infected.
Look at Clorox continuing that climb there, guys. Disney just keeps going lower. There goes Disney dropping below the 50 SMA. Now let me put Disney up here quick. Something, they just announced something there. Disney's breaking lower here again, guys. Market's only up 30 points now. So, big pullback from the highs. I told you guys don't chase it this morning, and I'm so glad we didn't.
CBLI, Cleveland Biolabs resumes trading, Charlie Bravo Lima, India, and making new lows, 269, down about 17% now, CBLI. Governor Cuomo says new cleaning protocols to be implemented in schools and on public transportation, including with bleach.
Guys, I just wanted to let you know we had people trying to use promo code LOYAL. I told you guys we were ending that this weekend on Sunday, but had a few people this morning that are trying to use it, didn't know it was ending, so I just extended it for the week here. So if you guys are still trying to sign up on the website, go to www.breakingchartalerts.com and you can use promo code LOYAL and get 30% off the lifetime of the subscription for any package.
SUMR, summer infant, getting a
Clorox still holding that 10 SMA really well here.
APT, Alpha Protect shares vaulted for news. Checking that hold on Alpha Protect. Actually, still moving now. Reuters with a headline that Alpha Protect shares will hold it, but that is not the case. It appears that shares are still trading now off the lows at 1669.
Disney's getting up to that 1050 right now. Let's see. She wants to break below. She is not breaking that. Doesn't look it.
NBS, Novartis provides update on use and safety of Beovu in patients with wet AMD. That's NBS.
Guys, breaking news from Reuters. The coronavirus is plunging the world economy into its worst downturn since the global financial crisis. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development warned on Monday, urging governments and central banks to fight back to avoid an even steeper slump in the markets and global growth. So as you can see, we started warning people about. People were saying, "I'm crazy. This is gonna pass." Yeah, no, this is here. This is gonna stay for a while, and until this is resolved, there's not gonna be any type of calmness in the markets. So it's just disciplined patience, trade plan.
Bed Bath & Beyond, 6,100 contracts on BBBY.
There goes Clorox breaking out again. Gilead's continuing to climb. Disney's getting up to that 20. Look at that big climb on Clorox there. There goes Gilead as well. I was going to look at Disney for some puts there, but getting a little pop. Not going to jump on it just yet. Too early for me. Let's take a look at GILD still holding. Let's see Gilead break that 71.50 area. If it could break 71.50, I think there's a good chance we could get to 73, 75, maybe even higher, depending on what Trump announces after he meets with them. Okay, Manuel Castro. Thank you, Dave Loyal. Yes, it's working. You guys could sign up there.
CNBC reporting White House to meet airline and cruise CEOs this week.
They're meeting with airlines and cruise CEOs this week, guys. Cruise CEOs. Unbelievable. This is getting big. No, I'm not in Clorox Skyjack. I'm watching it. A member brought that up this morning. Still having a big climb, up 5.61%. Gilead looks like it's ready for its next breakout. Guys, please give the video a thumbs up and a like if you're enjoying these videos. Would appreciate that. I ordered this package.
President Trump tweeting now as usual, J-Powell and the Fed are slow to act. Germany and others are pumping money into their economies. Other central banks are much more aggressive. The U.S. should have, for all of the right reasons, the lowest rate. We don't, putting us at a competitive disadvantage. We should be leading, not following. Tweets from Donald Trump.
I was supposed to get this today. These are my respirator masks I ordered Friday, February 28th here, but still nothing. Didn't even ship yet. It's supposed to be next day delivery. That's the full face ones, you know. It's not just the masks that cover your nose or those paper masks. Just to be on the safe side.
BISL, Vislink shares spiking to the high, 22 cents, up 22.5% now. Victor India Sandy Lima.
Guys, have they announced how much they think this coronavirus vaccine is going to be? So many posts out there saying most people aren't going to be able to afford it, but I'm not seeing anything about the pricing. Gilead, nice breakout there, guys. Take a look.
ATNX, Athenex's partner Almirall announcing EMA acceptance for filing of marketing authorization application for terbinafine ointment and actinic keratosis. That's ATNX. IFRX, India Foxtrot Romeo X-ray, getting a pop to the high, $4.80, mentioned by Raymond James as a potential coronavirus play. Says co-development partner in China, Beijing. The Fungry Biotechnology have learned that they are recently approved to start a clinical trial testing IFX-1 in patients with pneumonia from coronavirus. IFRX, Infra RX, now halted on the circuit breaker. IFRX.
Market is pretty flat. Dow's only up 60 points now. Big pullback from the opening highs, and other than that, really not too much going on. Clorox was looking good. That's pulling back below the 20 SMA right now, so I'm going to jump into that yet. Still waiting for Gilead to break out further here.
Tajikistan has informed airlines that it will deny entry to citizens of 35 countries due to coronavirus, including the U.S., the U.K., China, Iran, and Japan.
There we go. Our Gilead trades in the green. Last traded at 357, bid of 335, ask at 370. She looks like she wants to start climbing here again. If you're not in it yet, I'm waiting for my RCL puts to climb here, Bob. Marla, if you need help with the Gilead spread, just post a picture in the trade room there and I could let you know how it looks there, if you did things right. That was a nice candle on Gilead. Let's see it continue there. They were talking about this on Fox Business News. This is the American company that will help mass produce it, I guess. Market's pulling back again. See what Disney's doing. Disney's breaking lower again. When we first talked about this, it was at 118. Now she's at 116.81. Let me see when Disney reports its next earnings. So Disney reports earnings on May 8th. So let's see the May 15th expo here that's going for. That's not too bad, actually. Let's take a look at the 6-month daily. Could definitely drop down to about 110, possibly even back down to 100. That's not bad. I might pick up a couple of puts on that for now. E-Trade Pro is really lagging today. It's not even pulling up my orders. Unbelievable. and I got 500 megabytes a second internet. It's definitely not the internet. I'm on my trading computer, which is the fastest computers out there. Unbelievable. It's not even pulling up my orders E-Trade. It's ridiculous how slow E-Trade Pro's being today. I can't believe how bad this E-Trade Pro platform is. I really can't. I can't even pull up an order. When you have this type of money in the market, you know, you should not have problems like this. Disney's continuing to tank lower here, guys, and this is what's coming up for me. Generating order preview. That's what comes up, and nothing ever happens. This morning, anyway. I'm trying to get into these puts for Disney. I've been trying since 675. There she goes lower. She's now at 705. There we go. It just came up right now. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
WHO technical team arrives in Iran to support coronavirus response. That's a statement from the WHO.
Now here it goes again. I got to change the price. Now it's going to take forever once again. Unbelievable. This should not happen. There we go. It just came up. There we go. I just finally got that Disney order filled, guys. Here are the two trades we made today. Alrighty. Here's the two trades we made today. Disney 115 strike put for the May 15th, 2020 Expo. And then Gilead, March 20th. That's going to be a swing trade likely, maybe a day trade for the March 20th Expo. Those are the two trades we made today. And just holding on to those, being patient, disciplined, and watching the market. Disney continuing to drop there. Let's see if Gilead could hold that 50, start to climb. Jorge, mine is taking the same thing. Mine's actually taking about 45 seconds. Unbelievable. We should do something about that. They should not be able to get away with things like that. Making me miss out on money. Gilead's getting a nice little pop there. Disney, let's see what it does at that 10 if she fails and heads lower. Disney's still breaking down, guys, holding below that yellow 10-day SMA. So I expect Disney to continue to drop. It's almost near 115. We called it at 118 when she started breaking lower there. I didn't jump in until a little bit later. There goes Gilead breaking that 10 SMA. Let's see if it could continue to climb and break that blue 20 SMA on the today 1 minute chart. Jerry, but see, the thing is, when you're an active trader, you need this trading platform. You can't trade off of a website all the time. Look at Gilead breaking out, guys. Big breakout on Gilead. Disney's still holding below that 10. Jerry Stafford in the trade room said she bought the Disney puts. 120's up 11%. Nice job. Let's see, Iceman asks about CME. Let's take a look at that quick. Nice breakout on Gilead, guys. Gilead trades back in the green. CME's in BDM here. Let's look at the daily. Look at this. Can't even switch to the 3-month chart. This is unbelievable. I can't even change the charts here. Look at this. I'm clicking on 6-month daily. It's not changing it. Unbelievable the problems I'm having with E-Trade. Gilead's waiting for that next breakout here. There she goes, guys. Gilead's breaking out. She just broke the day's highs, up 3.23% and climbing. Huge breakout. We're already up 3% now on our Gilead trade. And climbing. Nice breakout there on Gilead, guys. She's still running. Going for 72 a share now, up 3.39%, 3.4. Up $300 on our Gilead trade, up 8%. There she goes, continuing to break higher, guys. Now up nearly $400, up 10.55% on the Gilead trade. There's the Gilead trade up 10.55%, up $369.84. Disney's down a little bit right now. Not worried. Still holding below that 10. And there goes Gilead once again, guys. Another big breakout for Gilead. There she goes. She just broke $72 a share, $72.02 and climbing. Now up $419 on the Gilead trade. Up $419.84 on Gilead and continuing to climb there. And breakout momentum, there's a 1020 cross. The MACD just crossed there. Charts looking great. Confirmation candles in the green. And we should see that continue to break out there, especially ahead of the Trump meeting.
Says a WHO staff member has tested positive.
Guys, a WHO member, World Health Organization member, just tested positive for coronavirus as they've been traveling and and viewing these cases. That's huge.
Tedros says it will call it a pandemic if it warrants. Tedros says the epidemics in South Korea, Italy, Iran, and Japan are our biggest concern. WHO mission has arrived and help the government.
That's huge news, guys. World Health Organization employee has tested positive. Coronavirus hits come fast for the aviation sector. Delta, everything dropping. I can't even change these charts. Could change that one there. Wow, she's back down 3.6%. This looks like this is heading much lower, guys. I call Delta dropping to 35 bucks. I really think Delta is going to drop down to $35 a share.
Tedros says more than 130 countries have not detected cases yet.
There goes Gilead breaking out again. Disney's getting a little pop.
Report that the press pool has been summoned to the White House.
The press has been summoned to the White House, guys. The White House is going to be making an announcement. Guys, look at this. New York doctor warns coronavirus cases will surge into the thousands by next week. Yeah, Disney's getting a little pop there. Just had the 1020 cross, MACD cross. I certainly would not be buying Disney long, though.
Lead, Memorial Medical halted on a circuit breaker, November Michael Romeo Delta.
Let me pull the other one over here.
President Trump says we've asked pharmaceutical
Unbelievable.
companies
Nothing's
to
coming up on these
coronavirus
charts.
vaccine work.
Gilead got a nice breakout here, guys, but this charting platform here, E-Trade Pro is giving me a lot of problems here. So I'm going to end this video. I'm going to restart my program here, and it's only 10 minutes until 11. And then I'm going to be in the trade room, and we'll be going live this afternoon on the live trading video and classes on the website. So if you guys aren't signed up, get in here into breakingchartalerts.com, and this afternoon we're going to be right here on this tab for any of the pro traders. I'm going to go restart the program here, E-Trade Pro, and then I'm going to get back on in the trade room there, guys. So great start to the week. Patience and discipline is really important this week. It's still early, only about an hour and 20 minutes into the trading day. So be prepared for volatility this week. And if you guys need help, please ask. I would stay small with trades this week and be prepared for any larger outbreak of the coronavirus here, as markets are going to remain volatile. So be prepared, guys. And if you need anything, please let me know. I'm here to help. Alrighty, guys. Take care. God bless. And I will see you guys in the trade room. And please give the video a thumbs up and a like if you guys enjoyed. And go to www.breakingchartalerts.com and join us there. RD says Robinhood isn't working either. A lot of people are having problems with trading platforms lately. And that's what happens when you go to zero commissions. Unbelievable. Something needs to be done. Gilead, big breakout, guys. We're now up $600, up 17% on our Gilead trades already. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you in the trade room. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the trade room. BreakingChartAlerts.com. Alrighty, guys. God bless, and hope you guys had a great weekend. Let's make some money this week. And one other thing, guys. This is how we did for the month of... Let me show you guys. The month of February, this is what we did right here. $37,993.52 in realized profits this week for the month of February. February 1st to February 29th, up $38,000. And that's with following the trade plan, being disciplined and patient. And we could continue that, guys. So let's go, guys. Let's have a great week, and I'll see you guys in the trade room. Bye-bye, guys.